Oh shit! There is no student in this class today. Class is empty. Yesterday I watched Bangladeshi match. I supported Bangladeshi match. I supported Bangladeshi game. But they lost the game. I'm very upset right now. What I will do? I don't feel like doing anything right now. Also there is no student here. I call my friend Arif. Then I will talk with him. I think my mind will be fresh. Okay. Arif's number 01. Hello?
Hello Arif,
Where are you now?
I'm sitting, got a point.
Kamarkha High School field. I will chat with you.
Okay, wait 10 minutes. I will come.
How much time you will take?
Only 10 minutes.
Okay, come quickly.
Definitely, I will come quickly.
I am waiting for Arif, but Arif is not coming. Oh, Arif is coming right now. Oh, it's good.
Arif, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Sit down here.
You are looking upset. Why?
Bro, have you watched the cricket match yesterday?
Yes, bro. Bangladesh has lost the game yesterday. I felt very bad that time.
Have you seen there is no good player in Bangladesh? There is no good bowler, there is no good hard hitter in Bangladesh who can win the match easily. That is the problem.
Yes, bro, you are right. They break our emotion. From now on, I will not watch cricket match.
You are right. From now on, I will not waste my time. I don't want to waste my time watching cricket games.
Yes, you are right. We should not waste our time. So, let's go.
Okay.